So you want a thick, creamy smoothie bowl, but you don't have a high-speed blender like a Vitamix. Well, today is your lucky day because I'm gonna show you how to make a smoothie bowl using a food processor. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If you're new to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your post notifications so that you're the first to see my videos when they come out. I am back this week with another smoothie bowl video for you. I'm in a little bit of a different kitchen than you're used to seeing. That's because I went home to Washington this week to surprise my parents. So this is actually the kitchen that I grew up in. But no matter where I go, smoothie bowls always come with me. There's so many ways you can make a smoothie bowl. I've shown you how to do it with a Ninja. I've shown you how to do it with the Vitamix. So today I thought it'd be fun if I showed you how to do it with a food processor. Food processors are great. They can chop, knead, mix, shred, slice, and they can even make smoothie bowls. They retail in the $70 to $160 range. So they're a little bit more affordable if you don't have a fancy pants blender. And because they can be used for so many different things, most people already have these in their kitchens already. I've linked the one that I'm using today and some of my other favorite blenders and favorite ingredients in my smoothie bowl starter kit, which is down in the description box below. So if you want to check that out, it'll be right down there. Okay, let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different smoothie bowl recipes in the food processor, and we're going to start with a berry one. So earlier this morning, I peeled some bananas, threw them in a bowl, and froze them. So we have our frozen bananas here, and we have a bag of mixed frozen berries. I'm just gonna cut up my banana. You can cut it up before you freeze it or after, it doesn't really matter. Once that's done, I'm going to add it to my food processor. Then I'm gonna add about 2 cups of frozen berries. The last thing we're gonna add is just a little bit of coconut milk. You can use whatever kind of milk you want. Then we're gonna screw the lid on, and I'm gonna start by pulsing it just to kind of get it going, and then we will start it on low, let it go for a little bit before we change it to high. You might have to take the lid off and scrape down the sides a couple times if the things get stuck on the top. But as you can see, we have that nice, thick smoothie bowl consistency that we love. Okie dokie, let's get this into our bowl now. Yum. One thing I love about the food processor is that it's really quiet. Yes. Nice and thick. The fruit doesn't get as broken down as it does with the Vitamix, but it's still super thick and still super yummy. Okay, I'm gonna stick this in the freezer while we make the other one so it doesn't melt. For this, we're gonna start with our spinach first. You wanna put your softest items closest to the blade, then we're gonna add a little bit of an avocado. This is gonna make it nice and creamy. Now I'm gonna add about a handful or a cup of frozen mango and 1 frozen banana. And lastly, a scoop of almond butter. Finally, a little bit of milk, and we're ready to blend. Just like before, we're gonna start with a little bit of pulsing, then we're gonna go from low to high. Here is our beautiful green smoothie. Oh, this one's my favorite. Okay, this one's going in the freezer. We've got one more. This one's super easy. It's just 2 cups of frozen mango, and that's literally it. We're gonna screw on our lid. No liquid for this one. We're just gonna pulse it a couple times. And for this, you're gonna have to scrape down the bowls because it takes a few times. I ended up adding a little bit of coconut milk just to get it going, but this mango puree is so yummy. It's so cold and thick and refreshing. I mean, look at that texture. Oh, I love it so much. Right, now we have our bright yellow mango ice cream smoothie bowl. So good. As you can see, it's super, super thick, just like ice cream. Okay, I'm just gonna top these bowls really quick. I'm gonna open a couple bananas, chop them up. I think I'll put the banana here. Oh, this one, I don't know what's going on here. What is happening with these bottom bananas? That'll work. I couldn't find any crunchies like granola in my mom's pantry, so we're just gonna use some vanilla wafers. For this one, I'm gonna use a banana, but I cut it a little bit differently just to make it look cool. And I think I'm gonna add some blueberries here and a little honey drizzle. Yum! Okay, I think this green bowl needs a strawberry crown. The colors are so bright and fun. I love this. Now let's add a line of blackberries, because why not? And some bananas because I had a few extra. Gotta top it with that honey drizzle. Oh my goodness, these smoothie bowls look so good. Check the thickness. Okay, our smoothie bowls are done. I thought it'd be fun if my family did the taste test with me. We've got 3 bowls, my sister, my mom. Let's dig in. Okay, cheers. Oh, mine's so cold.
Brian's really good. OMG. So good. I'm glad I got this one.
Okay, so now you know I have the approval of people other than myself that these are good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep eating.
I hope you like this video. If you don't have a high-speed blender at home or a Vitamix or any of the other blenders I've made smoothie bowls with, but you do have a food processor, I hope this video inspires you to make a smoothie bowl. Again, this food processor and all the other blenders I use are linked in my smoothie bowl starter kit, so check that out in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in next week's video.
Cheers.
Bye! Woo! What's in this one?
This is for lunch.
Banana, mango, almond butter, steak, chocolate.